Good day, everyone. You are welcome to another new video. This is the word WAEC Objective 2026. The question is number 27, I think so. So, how do we find what? The question says if 2 to the power of negative n is equal to x, find 2 to the power of n. And it's very easy. So, the only thing you need to do here, why don't you want to get rid of this negative sign here? If you can actually get rid of this negative sign, you can actually find 2 to the power of n. So what am I going to do now? I think solution, we have 2 to the power of negative n is equal to x. Alright, so therefore I can decide to multiply what? The exponent by what? By positive, by negative 1. So right? So that I can still have 2 to the power of n. So multiply what? The power of the both sides by negative 1. All right, if you multiply them by what? Negative 1, you will still have what? 2 to the power of n. And make sure about anything you do, what? When we have an equation like this, anything you do to the right hand side, make sure you do the same to the left hand side. So we're going to have 2 to the power of negative 1 times negative 2 to the power of negative n times negative 1 is equal to the same thing here, and x to the power of negative 1. All right, so which is 1 because we have an exponent of 1 here times 1. So this n minus n times negative 1 gives you just n, and 1 times negative 1 still give you x to the power of what? 1. So 2 to the power of n here is what we are looking for, and it becomes x to the power of negative 1, which is the same thing as what? 1 over x, because this is an inverse, so it's same thing as 1 over x. All right, so and that becomes our final answer. Wow.